Honestly, the number of startups are increasing every day. Startups face a myriad of challenges, from securing funding to finding the right mentorship and support. Investors are constantly on the hunt for promising startup ideas. Incubators aim to foster the growth of emerging businesses, and government agencies are eager to facilitate entrepreneurship and economic development. There is a need for a one-stop solution to connect all the stakeholders on a single platform.
Team terminators are here with our one-stop solution, Anveshini, which makes it effortless for startups searching for resources. Investors, incubators, government agencies hunting for promising ideas and startups. Our platform makes use of React for user interface and Node.js for server-side scripting. The data for users will be securely stored in the MongoDB database. We use of natural language processing to develop a chatbot which can respond to queries of users, making Anveshini easier to use. Firstly, the user has to register on the platform to create a profile by providing his role or position and appropriate details. By registering, the user will be verified and authenticated to avoid fraud.
If the user is a startup owner, they need to provide information such as tech stack and services they provide, financial performance of the company, market position and growth, customer acquisition and retention, team and talent, fundraising and investment history. We ensure non-disclosure agreements for the users to avoid idea theft. Investors and incubators can participate in the mentorship provided through our platform Anveshini and can have access to promising startup ideas. The features that we provide through our platform which differentiate us from other platforms are: we notify the events or some innovation challenges that are being conducted by incubators or some investors, and we also provide separate pages for student entrepreneurs and women entrepreneurs. We also provide mentorship and investment through our platform. We also show the success stories and highlights of few of the startups and investors so that it's encouraging for other startups. We also integrate a chatbot into our platform to make it easier for the users to use the platform. Let us look at the workflow of our project. So consider a startup getting registered on a platform. This is the login page. For the first time, he has to register on the page and provide credentials, and then he'll be able to view his profile and the home page. He can browse for other startups but cannot see the startup ideas of the other startups. And then if he has an idea of a startup, he need to apply for the startup and post it on the platform. If an investor is interested in his startup, he'll invest in it and provide resources. And then the government agencies will also provide the funding if interested in the startup. And then the startup owner can provide any job openings, and the other users can also benefit through our platform by registering for those job openings. And then he can make some settings in his account